Huh? Huh? What's up, guys? Welcome back. Well, we're headed out to camp. I'm gonna cook some good grub. I'm gonna drink some cold beer. So without further ado, let's get it. Guys, we just got here and we're probably gonna mess around for a little bit and probably gonna get some grub going. Check back with you guys in a minute. Yeah, here's the campground. It's just about sunset right now. The sun's starting to set, and like I said, it's really cool. Little bitty camp pad to chill on. And then, like I said, this is no electric here, but it don't matter because I got my power inverter right there plugged in, and I run it out my window and into the back of the cab, and so we'll have plenty of electricity. And I'm eventually gonna get one of those Jackeries when I can find one for a good deal, or get that one that's 150. But like I said, I don't need a lot of power because we just try to stay away from the electronics and stuff while we're out here, and we just watch movies like right before we go to bed. That's what we're gonna do tonight. I got classic. I got Cobra tonight with Stallone. All right. Get this tomato soup going. So tonight we're gonna do spicy grilled cheese and tomato soup.
No, don't put the spicy grilled cheese on mine. I don't like spicy.
I only brought the jalapenos to put on mine.
Oh, you're only putting jalapenos on yours?
Yeah.
But not on ours. Do you like jalapenos?
He does.
He does? You do? I don't want it on mine. But you like it. That's for spaghetti, right?
No, it's tomato sauce. Or tomato soup.
Oh my gosh. Oh, it looks so good.
So we're gonna let that warm up a little bit, guys, and we'll check back in with you guys. All right. going to be spicy, senor. Sweet. Montana's getting a fire going. Yeah, we ditched the coffee can rocket stove tonight because I knew they had fire pits here. Yeah, this is a great camp spot. It's only about 35 minutes from our house, and well worth the drive. All right, guys. Well, we got a fire going pretty good, and we're gonna probably let it burn down a little bit, and then probably jump in the back of the truck and watch a movie. Well, good morning. Good cup of joe to you. Oh, I slept pretty good last night. The little sleep I had, but oh. Well, I'm gonna burn this coffee down, and I'm probably gonna get some breakfast going. Check back with you guys in a bit. Doing some hard salami. Yeah, last night I had a raccoon get in my trash here, and I had it hanging down here, and I heard bottles crashing, you know, because I was drinking the little stub bottles last night, and I heard bottles crashing. I'm like, what's that? Stick my head out the back of the topper, and I shine my light over here in this direction, and this little guy is like munching down on a grilled cheese crust and whatnot. It was crazy. So what do you guys think? You guys like the hard salami?
Mm-hmm.
It's tasty.
Yeah.
And you get a crap ton of it for like $4. That's what we got left. We didn't burn all of it last night. Like I said, we ain't paying for nothing no more, no wood. Alright guys, well we got breakfast done, so probably gonna take a quick hike. Alright guys, that's probably gonna do the hike. We're gonna head back to camp. So yeah guys, overall it was a good camp. We didn't get rained out or anything. Didn't get attacked by coyotes, even though we heard a bunch of them howling last night. But yeah, it was a good time. It was beautiful out, perfect weather, about 70 degrees. But yeah. Well, that's going to wrap things up. That concludes this episode. See you next time.